We have been and will have times when we are going to be both the younger and the older son. There have been times where I have desired the things around me. What if I have followed my own way instead of the Father? Am I leaving God behind in exchange of something that I want? And this thing that I want doesn't even compare to how great the love of the Father is. It's so tempting to think about those things and points in our life. Or how about this? On the other hand, I've been following Jesus for my entire life. It feels like it's been dragging. I go to church, I get connected to core group or young pro. I serve, I do things for Him. But it feels like I'm just doing this as a task because that's the only thing that I know. But the Father desires for each of us to love Him with everything that we have. To not just look at these things as tasks, but something that is born out of love. Wherever we are at, whoever we see ourselves at in this story, we are all welcomed and invited by the Father.